Hey guys, Alex here from Workshop 12, and I want you to join me on upgrading your 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado reverse camera. A lot of people always ask us, Alex, I installed the beautiful 15.6 or 15 or 14.4 inch Tesla style screen on my GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado, but my reverse camera got worse. And in most cases, that is correct. And the reason for that is one thing we need to remember is that your truck was designed to look good with the original 8-inch, 7-inch, or 4-inch display that you had. So when we're upgrading that display to a 2K resolution 15.6 or 14.4 inch display, that camera resolution is now being stretched because the higher resolution of the screen means that there are now going to be more pixels per inch that need to be produced, making that reverse camera image pretty bad. And in most people, they're okay with living with it. Some others definitely upgrade it. And when they ask us, how do we go about upgrading? I've never personally done it. So I'm gonna take you guys along the journey of updating the GMC Sierra reverse camera in the factory location. We went ahead and bought a master tailgate camera. Apparently they say it's the best of the best. And you know, Workshop 12 only likes the best of the best. So we're gonna put this camera to the test and see if it's truly worthy of calling it the best. Let's not waste any more time and jump right in. All right, guys, we are in a 2014 or 15, I don't know, they all look the same, GMC Sierra, and we're gonna go ahead and update this camera so it can look amazing just as the screen does. First thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna be removing all of these screws right here using a Phillips screwdriver or little drill, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with removing all these screws, and then I'll put the camera closer so you guys can take a look at the connections. Let's go. All right, guys, so once we remove all of the screws, there's a metal part here that just comes off that's held on by those screws that we went ahead and removed. And now it exposes to the assembly of the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and start popping this camera out. I'll bring you guys in a bit closer. All right, I don't know if the camera can capture this, but there are two Torx screws that we're gonna have to remove. I believe they are the T15s, one over here where my finger is and the other one right in there. So we'll go ahead and remove those. And there's that camera. And now we just have to essentially grab that wire, disconnect it. We're gonna have to kind of go under the vehicle, disconnect it, and then that way I can pull it right out. The middle of the car is right here. So we're gonna go underneath and to the driver's side of the car. You're gonna see this connector right over here. There's a little red tab we need to just pop right out. And as you can see, we got the camera assembly right here. Careful that all the junk that is here doesn't fall in your eyes or your mouth. So try to close your mouth and don't be like an Alex leaving his mouth open. But we're gonna go ahead and pull that cable through and run the new one. So now that we did that unplug, like we unplugged that wire, what I'm going to do is, because I noticed that this wire's a bit, like it's quite far away, and honestly, I'm already dirty and it's not gonna stay very warm here in Toronto. So that being said, we're gonna grab some wire and electrical tape. And what we're gonna do is I'm going to actually attach it to the plug, that dirty plug that we just unplugged, the old one, the original one. That way, as I'm pulling that wire out, I have access to a plug, like to the wire here, where I can then essentially attach the new wire on the new camera and then pull it out from underneath, and then that would make life a lot easier. Well, that was a lot easier using our primary wire here. So I'm now gonna go ahead and essentially take the electrical tape off the old crappy camera, and I'm now going to grab the new camera, and I'm going to grab that electrical tape, and now I have attached the primary wire onto the new camera, and now I will essentially start pulling it. And there you have it. It's that easy. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the 2 screws right back. Don't forget to remove the cover for the camera lens here. All right. And now we'll put this . And remember guys, don't over tighten anything, just nice and easy. And now I'm gonna go under the car, we're gonna plug it in, we're gonna snap it in reverse and check it out. All right guys, so we just did the installation. I quickly put the tailgate up before I put anything back, just to put it in reverse, see the image quality. I will be putting before and after pictures for you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this cover back. In case you forgot how to take this cover, like you're not sure if this went this way or if it went the other way, easiest way to remember is there's like a little like triangle thing here. That triangle is going outwards this way. So that way you know that this thing is pointing that way to me. So that's where it's gonna go. So now we're gonna go ahead and line up the holes on this metal one here. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this right back. And now I left all of the washers right in its place just to make it nice and easy for me, so I didn't have to worry about what went where. So now I'm just gonna put the screws back in its place. The long ones like this are for all of them, and then the smaller one is gonna be for these 2 that are at the very top here. So and there you have it guys. If you guys have any questions or you need any assistance, me or my team will be more than happy to help you. At this time, we do not sell these cameras from the time that you're maybe watching this video, but we might in the future. I'm not sure. We might just let Master Tailgate or Tailgate Masters or whatnot take control of the cameras, and we'll just focus on our screens. Not sure, but I think that's it for now. I'm gonna go and enjoy this weather before it starts to snow, because it's Canada. You never know. Peace.